Datsun? For Datsuns, honestly, I don't know. I just see one, I don't know where, and I fall in love with the model. It's small, it's lightweight, and I never see one before. It's like, well, what is that? That look like a BMW and HAKOSUKA. It's like a mix. I do everything by myself, except for the paint. It was a friend that made the paint job, but everything else I do the preparation for the paint. I do all the front conversion with the I buy it from Carbon Signal, and I do all the installation by myself. The roll cages, all the ID,
All the welding.
yeah, everything, all the work is by me. It's hard to find part. You need to create it. You need to build it. You need to imagine it. Create. You need to did everything by yourself. So yeah, that's why I love Jigen. I love the challenge of.
That's it. You have the hustle.
Yeah, exactly. So you cannot have another person at a meet with the same car as yours. Maybe the same car, but it's gonna be different a lot because all part is mostly made or unique.